Ah, 008. Good to see you. I've already put together your equipment. Here.
Very nice. What can it do?
Standard gear, but most important is this.
A little bulky.
That's a tosh. This helmet carries a built-in navigation system which we are still improving. Also, you'll be able to communicate with your attendants over a distance of
75 meters?
We're working on that too. But you can also be reached via telephone. I really fail to see... What are you doing, 008?
For this once, I've got something for you. I can log on to my navigational system, contact my attendants,
hello?
And make phone calls. With this system, I can also listen to music. And FM radio.
You're listening to MI6 radio, but don't tell anyone.
Schuberth?
They are miles ahead of you.